So there are four ways to create a data table. You could create it either from scratch, so that meaning you can make it directly within FastField. To create it from scratch, there are three main steps. One is going to be adding columns. That's going to be, basically putting down each of your records, and you could choose the data type for each column, and you could indicate it whether it should be required or not. If somebody makes an edit within the app, you could specify which columns are required, meaning that they would need to have data in there in order for them to save that new record. And then the next step is going to be setting up keys, which is basically every item on your data table will have an auto-generated ID, and that could be used as a lookup key to update or delete items using our cloud API services. Meaning, let's say your first record of soap has a cloud ID of 123. The next time when somebody makes a row modification, it is going to look for that cloud ID. If it sees that that cloud ID has already been used, it will auto update. So override that with that new information. If it doesn't see that new cloud ID in the API, it will make a new instant record. So that's great. Another thing, or the next step is going to be naming your table. So again, three easy steps. So I do have a screen recording that goes over this. So in order to do this, we're going to click on Create from Scratch. And this is where we're going to be creating our columns. So I'm just creating a column named Item, and then another one with Cost. And so I am selecting which data type I want it to be, and as well as toggling whether I want it to be required or not. Again, this is that lookup key that I was mentioning about. And you can even specify a column to be that lookup key. So it'll look for an item, and if it sees that same item within the list, it'll override that one. And then the last step is just to name that table. And additionally, you could even create a button, a customized button that users could select in the app if they want to add a new record. So I just put add new item, and that's basically it. All you have to do is save.